Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you gamers out there. How to redeem a Razer Gold gift card in 2025. Razer Gold is that awesome digital currency that lets you snag games, in-game items, and more from the Razer ecosystem. If you've got a gift card burning a hole in your pocket, stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and by the end, you'll be ready to level up your gaming experience. First things first, make sure you have your Razer Gold gift card code handy. It's usually a string of letters and numbers. Start by heading over to the official Razer website at razer.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's free and only takes a minute. After logging in, navigate to the Razer Gold section, which you can find in the main menu or by searching for it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on Redeem Gift Card, or something similar. Razer might have updated their interface for 2025, so keep an eye out for any new layouts. Enter your gift card code carefully into the provided field, double-check for any typos, and hit Submit. You'll see a confirmation page showing your updated Razer Gold balance. If everything goes smoothly, you're good to go. You can now use your gold to purchase items on the Razer platform. But what if you run into issues? Common problems include expired codes or account errors, so ensure your gift card is valid and your account is in good standing. Razer has improved their support in 2025, so check the help section if needed. And remember, always redeem from a secure device to protect your info. There you have it, folks. That's how to redeem your Razer Gold gift card in 2025. It's straightforward and gets you gaming faster. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.